Hi, and welcome to course Gaining Access and Covering Tracks with Kali Linux by Pact. This course will be presented by Sean Oriano, a longtime security professional and entrepreneur. Over the past 25 years, he has divided his time between performing security research, consulting, and delivering training, both in the field of general IT and cybersecurity. In addition, he's become a best-selling author with many years of experience in both digital and print media. Sean has published several books over the last decade and has expanded his reach even further by appearing on shows in both TV and radio. To date, Sean has appeared in over a dozen TV programs and radio shows discussing different cybersecurity topics and technologies. When in front of the camera, Sean has been noted for his casual demeanor and praised for his ability to explain complex topics in an easy-to-understand manner. Outside his own business activities, he is a chief warrant officer and commands a unit specializing in cybersecurity, training, development, and strategy. Additionally, as a CWO, he is recognized as an SME in his field and is frequently called upon to provide expertise, training, and mentoring wherever and whenever needed. Let's begin by giving you an overview of what you can expect in this course. We'll start off with Gaining Remote Access. In this section, we're going to look at using the Netcat utility to make connections to a remote system. We will then move on to finding an opening on a system to penetrate into it before concluding the section with learning to transfer files to that remote system and execute commands. Moving forward, we will get introduced to tunneling, wherein we're going to start off by understanding how Kali can help you move data over a tunnel. We will discuss how to use tunneling and to take a look at what is an HTTP tunnel. We will then see how to find an opening to use this software and specifically execute commands with this software. Then, we will proceed to cracking passwords, wherein we explore and dive a little deeper into rainbow tables. We'll talk about how to create and use these tables. In the next section, removing log files, we're going to first look at what is captured in a log file and where are these log files stored. We'll also take a look at the techniques for removing these files. Before diving into this course, let's have a look at the prerequisites needed. You need to have a basic knowledge and experience with Linux. Some experience with networks and network administration is preferable. An intermediate to advanced knowledge of operating systems will be useful. And lastly, you should be comfortable with the command line operations. As for the goals of this course, first and foremost, the course aims to teach you to act upon information known about a target. You will further learn how to crack passwords in order to gain access to a system by using brute force attack and rainbow tables. By the end of this course, you'll be able to make use of different types of applications and commands to run on a remote system. This course will serve as a comprehensive guide on teaching one how to exploit and execute items on a target. And that concludes the overview for gaining access and covering tracks with Kali Linux. We continue our journey by diving straight into the course.